and you will see. It's supposed to be exciting. I've never done it before, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to use it. But you have to stay tuned to see how I'm going to use it. To see what I create with this body illuminator, stay tuned and keep watching. It is going to be fantastic. Now I open my eyes and I go like this just to smooth the little bit of line that I have here, because as you can see, my hooded eyes just fold right over it. Now here comes the body luminizer. So here we go, here we go, here we go. Body luminizer. And this is what I am creating. I always see people on YouTube put stuff on their nose, so I'm gonna do it with the luminizer. I have never done this before. And they always put a piece right here. I am going to do that, except I'm not going to do anything extra. A little bit right here. Not done yet. Remember, I am not done, so keep watching, there is more. like, so I'm going to use it as my lip color today. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And all the rules that are holding you back in your life, that are preventing you from doing this and that, and don't do this and don't do that, whether it's makeup or work or life or decisions, evaluate them and see if they work for you. If they no longer work for you, it's time to get new ones. And do the new one and practice it in baby steps. But don't throw everything away one time. Take away one thing, add something else. Try that one thing for 21 days. If it works, take away something else and put something. Always replace it with something else so you're not left confused and intimidated and worried. Bye.